A long flight can be tiring, but the right preparation can make it much more comfortable. By choosing a good seat, packing a few travel essentials, staying entertained, moving around, and using simple relaxation techniques, you can make your journey smoother and arrive feeling more refreshed. Maximizing your space and physical comfort. Reserve a good seat if possible. Check with your airline before the flight and choose a seat that fits your needs, such as an aisle seat for easy movement, a window seat for sleeping, or an exit row or bulkhead seat for extra legroom. Avoid seats near the lavatories and do not choose an exit row if traveling with an infant or small child. Minimize your carry-on luggage so it is easier to get comfortable on the plane. Check your airline's carry-on rules before packing and bring only the essentials. A small backpack is usually easier to store than a large roller bag. Most airlines allow one carry-on and one personal item, but size and weight limits can vary. Dress comfortably for the flight by wearing loose clothes and comfortable shoes. Bring an extra layer, such as a sweater or hoodie, in case the plane gets cold. For long flights, compression socks can help improve circulation and reduce leg swelling. Bring a travel pillow if you plan to sleep on the plane. Extra head and neck support can make the flight more comfortable and help prevent neck pain. You may also want to bring a small blanket or extra layer, since planes can get cold. Have a few hygiene essentials with you, such as a toothbrush, hairbrush, lip balm, deodorant, and facial wipes, so you can freshen up before landing. Use the bathroom for brushing or applying deodorant, and make sure any liquids or gels in your carry-on follow airport size limits. Staying active and entertained. Move around during long flights to prevent stiffness and improve circulation. When it is safe, take short walks down the aisle or do simple in-seat exercises like ankle circles and arm stretches. Choose an airline with in-flight entertainment to make the flight feel shorter. Many flights offer movies, music, TV shows, or seat-back screens. Check your airline's entertainment options before you fly. Bring your own entertainment for the flight, such as a tablet, laptop, book, podcasts, music, games, or ebooks. Charge all devices before boarding, and consider carrying magazines, puzzles, or a sketchbook in case in-flight entertainment is limited or starts late. Pack your own headphones for better sound and comfort. Noise canceling or in-ear headphones can help block engine noise, chatter, and other distractions during the flight. Avoid watching the time during the flight. Checking your watch or the flight map too often can make the trip feel longer. Instead, focus on resting, reading, or entertainment. And getting enough rest and nourishment. Do relaxation exercises if you feel tense during the flight. Deep breathing, meditation, gentle seat stretches, peaceful music, reading, or coloring can help you feel calmer. If flying makes you extremely nervous, ask a doctor or counselor about helpful coping strategies. Find a comfortable sleeping position during the flight. Use a travel pillow for support, lean against the window if you have a window seat, or recline your seat when allowed to rest more comfortably. Check your meal options before the flight. Some airlines offer free snacks, while others sell meals and drinks on board. Contact your airline or check their website ahead of time so you know what food and beverages will be available. Bring your own snacks for the flight, especially if airline food is limited, expensive, or not appealing. Simple options like granola bars, fruit, or sweets can help keep you comfortable on long flights. Stay hydrated during the flight, as airplane air can be very dry. Bring an empty water bottle to fill after security, or buy bottled water before boarding. You can also ask flight attendants for water during the flight. Thanks for watching.